my beautiful people. Is your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, today my time. Ìwé agbada ìkànwé ṣòkòtò join now. Things dey happen for this world, oh. Things dey really happen, my darling people. I beg. Why I want to do this video today? Now because of say Mate advise our women, please, if una want marry, una dey look man before una marry. I use God to beg una. I use God to beg una. Una dey look man before una go marry. Some men are really terrible. Some men, the way that they say some women not still good now, so some men. But these days, man go dey kpeme their wife. Before that day, they say na women no, but now, man too go dey kpeme his wife. Or because of wetin not even like reach to even beat your wife for. Like the thing go dey surprise me sometimes, my darling people. This man, I see one post where Shine bring come out. I go see put the right up for them on and listing. Mona read them by myself because if I say make I come they read them, the thing too long go, so I not go fit. So she come put the post. She say, sister just meme, he husband na meme am so. So he say according to the write up, she said the man. This is sister, so the man not quick come that faithful day. So when they come back, he drink as they come back. So when he reach house, the next thing, they stagger, they waka, the way they do. Now the sister come, they say, you don't still go drink, come back. Not be even only that one. He say once he jogodo join her. Now the woman say no, he not go fit jogodo with you. He not go fit. Now he say, you don't want jogodo with me. You don't want jogodo with me. He go deal with you. Now the woman say, what he do you? He not want. Now he begin to beat the woman. And they say not be the first time we don't they beat the woman, no. Because why are they do this one? I be say, some women go their marriage. The man go they beat them. They deal with them. Instead, when they go come out, they will still dey there. Instead, when they go leave that man, they go still dey there. Let me tell you, people, if you date marriage, you see say the man they always, especially when you date the man, you first start for dating. When you date man, you see say that man and man where they beat woman. I beg, run for your life. You get why? Run for your life. You know why I say when you run for your life? Some men, they are really terrible. Because when it don't they beat you like this, so when one they date, if you marry him, it go still continue, and that part will not they understand. But some men go say no, some women go say go change if you don't marry. No, it not go change. Wait till it does start him. It not go fit change. You understand? It not go fit change.
Mommy, I want to drink milk.
Yeah, I'm coming. So it not go fit change. As far as say it does start him already, it does start to the beat you where they date you. Even when una go still marry, it go still continue. It go continue. But una go they say no, it go change. It go change. It not go change. Okay, see, you just see what this man now just do to this woman now. As I tell now, so this woman don't be RIP. Because when they come house that day, he said one can jogodo with the woman. The woman said no, you not the jogodo. He said the woman must bring bekus me do. The woman said no, you know they do. Now he begin to beat the woman. As they beat the woman, now the woman go stay, go open window, make it run. The woman dodge, go open window down, make it run. Then the woman don't know say the man see her when they open the window. The next thing, as the woman just from window make it run, then he just catch the woman. Then he use the plank till they beat the woman. As they beat, and I saw the woman they give up. Before they rush the woman reach hospital, the woman don't me. Now they see the matter. Before they rush the woman reach hospital, the woman don't me. my darling people, please look man before you marry. I use God to beg una. More na dey look man before now. They say I want to shook my head for this marriage. Really, very, very important. Some men are wicked. Some men, they are not worth to be a man. They don't worth him at all. They not worth to be a man. They not worth him. I beg, more na dey look man before now go dey shook una head say I want to marry this man. Yeah, very, very important. Now, if I ever see the man, I say as he be, he be like a stick where God say all up, wait say all heaven. Eh? That's what the man slay like what I don't know. Now if he beats woman like that, eh? Very, very mugre man. If they do me say if I see that man, eh? How you go just beat woman like that? So tell you the woman that remember you see they beat her. As they call Rush and Rush Hospital, now your eye can't it. Can they say you don't know what to come over you? Like seriously? Are you kidding me right now? Eh? I beg. One of the look man before now go they marry. Some men are very great men. They're too many for this world. They're too many. They're too many. Eh? Oh, I said the thing they pay me, eh? I said they tell now the woman don't be RIP. The woman don't go. RIP. The woman don't pay me. Now shine sister. I make I do this video so. Eh? I never could see the post I for not do one since. Women, please, if you date marriage, the man they always they beat you. Run for your life. I don't know why or not they look social media. I don't know why. Because this thing they happen all the time. If you date marriage, the marriage not the work out. My dear, run. Leave the man. Leave the man. Because I say one day, I say go take me you. I don't say no marriage, they perfect. I don't say more than they come up for a marriage. But if you call them marriage, the thing not the work out. What are you supposed to do? Now to run for your life. Yeah. Run for your life. So that means you not go see be RIP. Because when you go be RIP, you go see they alive. People don't say they come punish them. They carry and go station. But you see they. But you now you don't go. You don't go. So my old bunga people, things they happen for this world, I beg. One they look man. If you date man, don't talk this thing Richard many times. If you date man, you know they work out. Leave the man. If you not so beat you, they beat you, leave the man. May not go pay you one day for your mama hand. Eh? This woman don't be RIP. So what did they come to this man and my bunga people? Not be just to arrest him, but who don't die, don't die. So my darling people, anything you want to think about this video, wanna leave on a comment for the comment section. Share this video. Please share it to your sister. When did this kind of marriage, share it to your brother. Anybody, share it to them, please. Don't be staging with the video. Thank you. Please always put thumbs up anytime you watch my video. Thank you for sharing my video and thank you for watching.